Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Cups and glasses. Wine glass. Wine glass. Water goblet. Water goblet. Margarita glass. Margarita glass. Hurricane glass. Hurricane glass. Champagne flute. Champagne flute. Cocktail glass. Cocktail glass. Irish coffee glass. Irish coffee glass. Cognac balen. Cognac balen. Plastic cup. Plastic cup. Mug. Mug. Beer mug. Beer mug. Weitzenglas. Weitzenglas. Teacup. Teacup. Demitasse. Demitasse. Fruited Pilsner glass. Fruited Pilsner glass. Collins glass. Collins glass. Shot glass. Shot glass. Vodka glass. Vodka glass. Martini glass. Martini glass. Coffee cup. Coffee cup. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.